The SUV world just shifted in a way nobody expected. In this video, we're revealing the 5 best SUVs for 2026, ranked using real crash test results, reliability data, owner satisfaction, and performance insights from over 47,000 drivers, all analyzed by Consumer Reports. These SUVs sell nearly 3 times faster than average, hold up to 68% of their value after 3 years, and outperform rivals where it matters most. Even more surprising, the most expensive model didn't make the top 3. From number 5 to the unexpected champion, this countdown exposes the SUV's dominating reliability, resale value, and real-world performance, and the number 1 pick changes everything. Number 5. Toyota 4Runner. We have the SUV many technicians describe as nearly indestructible, the Toyota 4Runner. It's not famous in repair shops for constant problems, but for how rarely it needs serious work. This is durability built into the design. The 4.0-liter V6 is a major reason why. It's been refined over years of real-world use, delivering solid power without being pushed to its limits. With port fuel injection and heavy-duty internal components, these engines routinely surpass 300,000 miles without major rebuilds. Oil consumption stays low, timing chains hold up well, and leaks are minimal even at high mileage. The paired 5-speed automatic may sound outdated, but its simplicity is its strength. While competitors move to more complex transmissions, this one has proven dependable over time, with straightforward fluid servicing and consistent performance even after years of use. Its body-on-frame construction is another key advantage. The thick frame rails and solid mounting points hold up under heavy loads and off-road stress far better than many unibody crossovers. The 4-wheel drive system is mechanical and uncomplicated, with a rugged transfer case and durable differentials designed to last. On top of that, the 4Runner is refreshingly easy to service. There's space to work in the engine bay, components are accessible, and repairs don't require unnecessary complexity, a major reason it remains a long-term ownership favorite. Number 4. Honda Pilot. An SUV that combines family practicality with Honda's reputation for long-term reliability. Mechanics see these vehicles regularly for routine servicing, but major mechanical failures are uncommon, exactly what families need from a 3-row SUV. At the heart of the Pilot is Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing around 280 horsepower. This engine has been used across multiple Honda models and consistently delivers excellent longevity. Many Pilot engines surpass 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. Its variable cylinder management system improves efficiency while maintaining dependable performance when properly maintained. The timing belt does require scheduled replacement, but this preventive service helps avoid more costly engine problems down the road. The automatic transmission in newer Pilot models has also become highly dependable. Earlier issues were corrected through engineering updates, and current versions provide smooth, consistent shifting when fluid changes are done on schedule. Honda's intelligent all-wheel drive system adds confidence without unnecessary mechanical complexity. It's designed to operate efficiently while maintaining durability over time. Inside, the Pilot excels in real-world usability. The seating is durable, the second row adjusts easily, and the third row offers genuine passenger space. The cargo area is spacious and practical, built to handle everyday family demands. Maintenance is another strong point. Service procedures are straightforward, parts are widely available, and overall ownership costs remain predictable, making the Pilot one of the smartest long-term choices in its class. Number 3. Lexus RX 350. This is where luxury turns into obsession, and Lexus has quietly outmaneuvered every rival because of it. The Lexus RX 350 has been America's best-selling luxury SUV for 14 straight years, despite not being the fastest, flashiest, or most technologically aggressive option. Its dominance comes down to one thing competitors overlook: long-term satisfaction. Consumer Reports gives the RX a 93 reliability score, and more impressively, that score has stayed nearly unchanged for 8 years. Most vehicles show decline as they age. The RX doesn't, and the reason is Lexus's extreme testing philosophy. Individual components are torture-tested up to 100,000 cycles before installation. Door handles, seat motors, switches. Everything is repeatedly stressed far beyond normal use. It's costly, excessive by industry standards, and incredibly effective. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 producing 275 horsepower. The design is nearly 2 decades old, but that's the point. It's one of the most reliable engines ever produced, with virtually no reported failures in Consumer Reports data under 200,000 miles. On the road, the RX 350 is intentionally unexciting. It's soft, quiet, and heavily insulated. Enthusiasts criticize it for lacking feedback, but owners don't. After 5 years, 96% report satisfaction. Lexus built comfort, not adrenaline. Inside, the obsession continues. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and climate control accurate to within half a degree. RX interiors routinely look new after a decade, while rivals show wear far earlier. One overlooked detail: acoustic glass on every window, plus an extra 120 pounds of sound insulation. Fuel economy suffers slightly, but highway noise nearly disappears. At around $50,000, the RX costs more than mainstream alternatives, but resale values remain among the highest in the segment. The only real flaw is the tiny third row in the RX 350L, largely symbolic. Owners don't mind. Lexus engineered the first 2 rows perfectly, and that's why the RX keeps winning. Number 2. Subaru Outback. There's a reason this vehicle quietly ends up in the driveways of mechanics and engineers. The Subaru Outback isn't officially an SUV, it's a raised wagon, but Consumer Reports groups it with SUVs because of its ground clearance and real-world capability. And this is where it gets interesting. Outback owners are unusually loyal. About 87% replace their Outback with another one. That level of repeat buying is almost unheard of in the auto industry. It's not trend-driven loyalty, it's trust. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the design. The Outback isn't conventionally attractive. Its shape is polarizing, almost like a minivan that decided to hit the gym. Subaru knows this, yet refuses to redesign it. Why? Because their philosophy prioritizes function over style, and that decision has paid off. The Outback uses Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which is fundamentally different from most AWD setups. Power is split 50-50 front to rear all the time, not just when traction is lost. This provides consistent grip in all conditions, but it's more expensive to build. Most competitors avoid it to protect profit margins. Subaru doesn't. The result is impressive. A Consumer Reports reliability score of 89, with owner-reported problems 68% lower than average. There is a trade-off. The Outback is not fast. The base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder produces 182 horsepower, and acceleration is best described as adequate. But that's intentional. Engines that aren't pushed to their limits last longer. While many turbocharged rivals operate near 90% capacity, the Outback's engine typically runs at 60 to 70%, reducing wear and extending lifespan. Inside, everything is designed for durability, not luxury. Hard-wearing materials, simple controls, and a huge cargo area take priority. This is a vehicle built to survive 250,000 miles in harsh climates, not impress in a showroom. Visibility is another hidden advantage. Thin pillars and a massive windshield give the Outback exceptional sightlines. Consumer Reports found it outperformed vehicles loaded with cameras and sensors. Finally, there's the clearance. 8.7 inches, higher than many body-on-frame SUVs. Subaru built a wagon that can go almost anywhere a Jeep can, uses less fuel, costs less to maintain, and that's why professionals choose it. Number 1. Toyota Sequoia. Claiming the top spot is the Toyota Sequoia, the 3-row SUV that mechanics trust above almost anything else. It represents the peak of Toyota Motor Corporation engineering, combining truck-level toughness with family-focused practicality. This is an SUV designed not just to last years, but decades. The latest Sequoia features a hybrid powertrain that pairs a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor, producing an impressive 437 horsepower. While this setup may sound complex, Toyota's hybrid systems have already proven themselves over millions of miles. The turbocharged superchargers are carefully tuned, cooling systems are robust, and the hybrid components are built for long-term durability. Early real-world results show excellent reliability. What truly sets the Sequoia apart is its foundation. It shares its body-on-frame platform with Toyota's full-size trucks, giving it exceptional structural strength. The frame is heavily reinforced, and suspension and drivetrain components are engineered to handle extreme stress without wearing down prematurely. This overbuilt design means the Sequoia can easily handle demanding family use, towing, and long-distance driving without compromising durability. It's this combination of proven hybrid technology, truck-grade construction, and Toyota's reliability-first approach that makes the Sequoia the most trusted three-row SUV on the road today.